Once you've reached your weight loss goal, you're likely going to automatically want to jump your calories up to maintenance level. Not so fast. You've been on a calorie deficit for so long that your metabolism is a bit shot and you'll gain back some unnecessary weight if you're not careful. There is a strategy for this with 2 key points. The first point is going a few pounds past your goal weight, knowing that some of it will likely come right back on. The second point is a principle called reverse dieting. Reverse dieting is slowly adding calories into your diet week by week to aid your metabolism's recovery, and then eventually you'll get to your maintenance level. How long you are in a calorie deficit should determine how long you should reverse diet. If it was a short diet, let's say under 8 weeks, you can bump it up to maintenance in 1 to 2 weeks. If it was a longer diet, like mine was, you're going to want to take 3 to 5 weeks. I know for me, I just increased my calories by 150 each week, and I know that sounds hard as you aren't seeing weight come off the scale anymore, but it is crucial that you don't regain any of that hard work fat loss due to low metabolism. If you take your time, your metabolism will recover and you'll be able to maintain your new body weight with more calories than if you do it the other way, which is just going to maintenance level. But whatever you do not go right to eating whatever you want when you hit your goal. It will have disastrous results. I promise you, you're going to want to ease into it. Another thing you may consider is something called a diet break. A diet break is when you go on a prolonged low-calorie diet and intentionally reboot your metabolism. A diet break refers to a planned period of 7 to 14 days where we increase calorie intake to loosen the counting restrictions we've placed on ourselves. They help break up the monotony of a diet and make adherence easier. When you have a lot of fat to lose, it can be very tough to stay motivated for months on end. Similarly, if you're trying to get shredded lean, like I was, the body fights back harder during the last stages of the diet. A diet break also helps if you're going on vacation, as you'll be able to enjoy yourself more than when you're not on a diet. So if you do decide to go on a diet break before hitting your goal, you should still take a week or 2 just to get up to that maintenance level, and then drop your calories back to cutting levels after 2 weeks. This approach will help you in the long run. It also allows you to set new goals. And setting new goals is very important to prolonged success, and I'll be explaining that in the next video. I'll see you there.